We're in a different spot than usual. Ooh, you can see all the lotion I use to keep myself looking young. Uh-oh, where did I put my phone? Oh, there it is. Hi, I'm Shell and I'm a cosplayer. If you are new to my channel, welcome, or if you're a subscriber, welcome back. I've been forgetting to say this lately, so while I have you here, subscribe down below, give a thumbs up, and I don't know, leave a comment telling me what's the best thing that happened to you this week. I hope there's something. I hope you had a good week. Today I want to share with you dollar store cosplay hacks. Yes, these are genuine cosplay hacks that only cost $1. Y'all know me, I'm big on saving money when it comes to cosplay. I love thrifting and buying secondhand and finding great deals, and I have found so many great things at the dollar store that I use for cosplay. I have around 5 things to share with you today, so let's get into it. Number 1, lashes. These are the Ioni brand lashes, or Ioni, whatever you want to call them, and they are sold at the Dollar Tree for $1. I heard about these on TikTok, so the next time I went to my local Dollar Tree, I checked to see if they had any, and they had so many. This is only 2. I bought 4. I personally have already tried out these lashes for my Elsa cosplay, and I can attest they are very good quality. I would call these lashes like drag queen lashes because they are genuinely very long and very full. They're honestly insane to only cost $1 for these lashes. My go-to lash is typically Ardell, which is a good, basic quality lash. They're widely available in like Walmart and CVS nationwide, and they are great and I do love them, but these Ioni ones are really good. I have found that these lashes are like a little bit of a longer band than the Ardell lashes, so I personally like take a small pair of scissors and I trim off the end just so they fit my eye much better, but that's really all I did. They're pretty great lashes and they are definitely worth a purchase. My next favorite cosplay item from the dollar store are stick-on gems. I find these in like the arts and crafts section at my dollar store, and they come in so many colors and so many designs. Like, these are only 3, but there's like probably over 24 different styles that my dollar store has. I think they're meant for scrapbooks, but honestly, I love putting these on my cosplays and props just because they're so affordable and they're pre-glued. I actually used these stick-on gems in pink for my Usumi staff. I have a pair of shoes I am blinging out for Elsa, so I bought these blue gems for that. And like I said, I really like these because they are so low cost. I feel much better about putting them on things like props and shoes and my hemline that drags on the floor, because I know those gems are gonna fall off eventually. I know I'm gonna hit my foot against something, or someone's gonna step on my dress and it's gonna rip the crystal off. So I would much rather have something that is affordable and easily replaceable than like a Swarovski. Like, no Swarovski crystals are going anywhere on the bottom of my Elsa dress. Maybe the top, but not the bottom. Another great cosplay material you can get at the dollar store is Mod Podge. So if you're just making one prop or project that just needs a little bit of Mod Podge, instead of buying like an $8 massive jar of it, you can just get one of these little ones at the dollar store. If you haven't used Mod Podge before, I highly recommend it. It is a great basic crafting material for cosplay, and I have entire videos about Mod Podge and how I use it, including one where I was very kindly gifted a box of Mod Podge from Plaid. So go check that out. I will put it up in one of the corners. This next item I only buy at the Dollar Tree, and that is fake flowers. You don't realize it until you need to buy some, but fake flowers are like insanely expensive. Maybe you're doing a Rapunzel cosplay with her big braid full of wildflowers, or you want a bouquet for your character to hold for a photo shoot. I highly recommend hitting up the Dollar Tree for your fake flowers. There is a caveat to this because the flowers are $1, so they're not insanely high quality. I don't personally think they look super real. Like, have you ever seen a purple daisy? I haven't. Let me know if you have. Do they exist? But if you are looking for quantity over quality, in my opinion, the Dollar Tree is the place to go. If you want, you can also get more expensive flowers from online or at Michael's Crafts and kind of use the Dollar Tree ones as filler, so your bouquet or your flowers still look really full, but you don't have to spend a ton of money buying like 10 high quality flowers. You can buy 3 high quality flowers and like 7 lesser ones that kind of just like settle underneath them, if you get what I mean. The last product I love to buy at Dollar Tree for cosplay is actually more than one product. It's generic wig styling supplies. I have personally found that the Dollar Tree is a great place to get materials for wig styling, whether it's a wide tooth comb like this, or curlers, or a bunch of mini elastics. I really like the curlers from the Dollar Tree specifically because they come in packs of like 4 or 6 for $1, so you can get a full set of like 12 curlers for under $5. And they are super useful. I've had these for years, literal years. I think I got them in like 2016. 2016, wow. And they're still holding up. They're still looking great just as they did on day one. These foam curlers are great for wig styling because wigs style by first heating and then cooling. They're made of plastic fibers. So what I will do to curl a wig is I will use a hair straightener on one strand of the hair, then I will curl it up and just clip it shut. And it will stay like that. It's completely stable. I don't have to pin it or do anything else to it. And I will just leave my wig like that for like a solid day, so that curl can completely cool around the curler, and that way I get a really nice ringlet when it's done. I use these plastic curlers in a different way because these actually originally had Velcro wrapped around them, which I have torn off and discarded. So just like with the other curler, I will take a strand of the wig, wrap it all around here, and then I'll use a clip or a bobby pin to really secure it to that curl. And then I will put a whole plastic grocery bag over the wig and fill it from underneath with steam from my garment steamer. You let the wig sit overnight, you let it completely cool, you let it completely dry, and once you let this out, you have a really nice curl. So those are 5 things from the dollar store that I use for cosplay. I hope this video was helpful, and if there's anything you love to use from the dollar store, definitely let me know in the comments below. I am always looking for more suggestions. I hope this video was informative and maybe will help you save some money, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, we're done. Where did I put my phone? I don't know.